Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will be helping you to solve the problem "Another update is in progress." Let's begin. First of all, don't be afraid because it's a simple problem that we can fix in no time. But it's important to know why and when could happen this problem. We received the message "Another update is currently in progress" when you try to update your WordPress. But why do you get this message? This is the process that WordPress follows on every upgrade. Every time you try to install the latest version of your WordPress using your dashboard, it will create a new upgrade record in the database to keep a track of this task. After that, the download begins. The problem comes when there's an error during this step and WordPress is not able to delete the upgrade record in the database. So for our website, it will be always in an upgrade mode. So how can we solve this? Well, we have two possible solutions to solve the problem. Number one is deleting the record using any MySQL client, or number two is deleting the same record but using the WP CLI tool. Keep in mind that these steps will modify the WordPress database, so it will require a minimum of technical knowledge. I suggest you to do a backup before implementing any change. Okay, now let me show you how to do it. These are the steps to solve the problem using a MySQL client. First, log in your SiteGround account, then click in Websites. Once all the websites are listed, click in Site Tools in the site where you are experiencing the problem. When the panel is loaded, click in MySQL under the Site tab. In this page, you will find all the information to connect to your database with any MySQL client. But also we can use the tool phpMyAdmin. Just clicking in the button Access phpMyAdmin. Click in the database of your WordPress, then click in the SQL tab. Here, you will write this SQL command to find a specific record, and then click the Go button. This command will show the row or record for the WordPress upgrade. In order to solve it, you just need to click the Delete button. Now let's see the WP CLI approach. For this solution, you will need to have access to your server via SSH. In this link, you will find all the documentation to configure this tool. Once you have configured your SSH connection, connect to your server and go to the folder of your website. In that specific folder, run this WP CLI command. As you can see, this command will delete the option core updated.log from the database. Following any of these solutions will unblock your WordPress, allowing you to upgrade without getting any problem. That's all. I hope this solution helped you to solve the problem. Thank you and good luck.